The world watches as BRICS nations gather. This isn't just another meeting, it could be the start of a new financial order. The potential game changer? A gold-backed currency. This has the power to reshape global economics. The US dollar's dominance is at stake. Since World War II, the US dollar has reigned supreme. But cracks are appearing, inflation is high, and trust in the dollar is waning. BRICS nations are looking for alternatives. A gold-backed currency could be the answer. The outcome of the BRICS meeting is uncertain, but one thing is clear: the world is watching. The decisions made could have far-reaching consequences. This is about more than just money, it's about global power. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These emerging economies are significant players on the world stage. They represent a large portion of the global population and economic output. BRICS nations have regular meetings. They discuss shared goals and challenges. Their focus is on economic growth and development. They aim to reduce their dependence on the West. BRICS nations are increasingly assertive in global affairs. They are no longer content with the existing world order. They want a bigger say in how things are run. The idea of a common BRICS currency isn't new. It's been discussed for years. But the October 2024 meeting feels different. The global landscape has shifted. The appetite for change is growing. A gold-backed currency is simple. Its value is directly linked to gold. For centuries, gold was the bedrock of the global financial system. It provided stability and confidence. Countries backed their currencies with gold reserves. This system limited inflation. It prevented governments from printing money recklessly. The gold standard was abandoned in the 20th century. Countries wanted more flexibility in managing their economies. They moved away from gold and towards fiat currencies. Fiat currencies are not backed by a physical commodity. Their value is based on trust in the issuing government. This system has its advantages, but it also has drawbacks. It can lead to inflation and instability. Why gold matters now more than ever. In times of uncertainty, people turn to gold. It's a safe haven asset. Its value holds up during economic turmoil. Today there are concerns about the global economy. Inflation is high, debt levels are soaring, geopolitical tensions are rising. These factors have made gold attractive again. Investors are looking for stability. They are losing faith in fiat currencies. Some argue that a return to a gold standard could bring back stability. It could restore confidence in the financial system. BRICS nations are well aware of gold's enduring appeal. They have been increasing their gold reserves. This move is seen as a hedge against the declining dollar. It's also a step towards greater financial independence. BRICS's golden gamble. A calculated risk? A gold-backed BRICS currency is a bold move. It's a direct challenge to the US dollar's dominance, but it's also a risky strategy. It's unclear how such a currency would work in practice. There are many challenges to overcome. First, BRICS nations need to agree on the details. What will be the gold backing ratio? How will the currency be managed? Second, they need to convince other countries to adopt it. This will require building trust and confidence. Third, they need to overcome potential resistance from the West. The US is unlikely to give up its financial dominance easily. Despite the challenges, BRICS nations see this as a long-term play. They believe a gold-backed currency will increase their global influence. The dollar's uncertain future, a new economic landscape. The introduction of a BRICS gold-backed currency could have significant consequences for the US economy. The US dollar's status as the world's reserve currency could be challenged. This could lead to a decline in the dollar's value. A weaker dollar would make imports more expensive. This could fuel inflation in the US. It could also make it more expensive for the US government to borrow money. This could increase the U.S. already massive national debt. The geopolitical implications are also significant. A shift away from the dollar could diminish US influence. It could empower BRICS nations and other emerging economies. We are on the brink of a new economic order. The decisions made in the coming months and years will have lasting effects. What do you think the future holds? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Express Econ Geo Finance Insights for more updates.